Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Nikon tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get that bokeh effect in your videos. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool or on a mountain bike ride, I'm definitely going to film a vlog about it. When I have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture or something smart home or Tesla related, I'll definitely film those too. And whenever I learn something new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'm surely going to film a tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So if you've been following along on the channel, I recently did a BTS video, a behind the scenes video of where I film. And you'll notice in a lot of the filming locations that I choose, the background is very blurred. And that is by design because I don't want you focusing on the background, I want you focusing on me. And the way to achieve that is by introducing bokeh to your image. Oftentimes the term bokeh will be replaced with portrait mode. So if you have portrait mode on your cell phone and you use that, you'll find that the subject is very clear and the background is very blurred. That blurred effect is known as bokeh. The best bokeh effects are usually achieved with a prime lens. So on my D5300, I have attached to it a 35mm prime lens, and that lens gives me the best possible bokeh effect. So your first step in the quest for bokeh is to set up your scene. So as you can see here, I have myself set up in the middle of the room, and this gives the lens some depth of field to blur and give me the ultimate bokeh effect. So if you want the best possible bokeh in your scene, you want to look for an area that has some depth of field behind it. So once you have your scene set up with some depth of field, the next thing you want to do is head into the camera settings. As always, we are shooting in manual mode and setting our camera to a 50 shutter speed to match a 24p timeline. The next setting that you want to adjust is your aperture. The larger the aperture opening, the shallower the depth of field, the stronger the bokeh. The smaller the opening, the larger the depth of field, the less obvious the bokeh is. So in our case, we're going to turn the shutter all the way down so that we can get the best possible, strongest bokeh. The next setting after you've set up your aperture is your ISO. So you want to head over to your ISO and set that based on the lighting conditions of your scene. So if you have a look at the scene right now, you can see that there's really no bokeh effect. And the way that you get that is by focusing the camera on a subject that is in the foreground versus the background. So what I'm going to do here is put my hand in front of the camera. I'll have the camera focus on my hand, and now you can see my hand is in focus, but you get that nice bokeh in the background, that blurriness. So there you have it. With an SLR, a prime lens, and a few simple settings, you can easily get that bokeh effect in your videos. So if you learned something new in today's video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.